All right, so mathematicians, good morning. Good morning. So I want to talk to you about what we're going to work on. So this was the task that you've been focused on this morning, and you had a chance to write an equation and to solve it. Maybe you finished it, maybe you didn't. The most important part we're going to focus on right now, though, is working with our partner. We had some people from district, different principals from different schools come here, and they walk through the classrooms, and they notice that you guys are really good at explaining your work to the teacher, right? But they also notice that when we turn and talk to our partners, we're not really saying much. For example, you might say, I got 5, and your partner will say, oh, I got 3, and then you guys say whatever. You don't even try to figure out why you got different answers. You don't really look at your neighbor's work. So that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that we're analyzing each other's work really carefully. That means our eyes are on our partner's paper and we're listening and watching what they did. And then when we're done, we're going to ask them some questions or give them some information. Can I borrow your paper for a minute? So some of the things we might ask a partner about their work, for example, are, I like the way you used a variable in your problem. I used a different approach. I blank instead of blank. Or maybe you could say something like, explain to me why you decided to, I don't know, draw a model. Or your strategy is similar to mine because we both used a number line. Or explain to me how your equation matches the problem. So these are some of the things that we could say to our partner while we're coaching them, right? We're going to look at their work very carefully. We're going to analyze it, and then we're going to decide, is there information we need to give them, or is there a question that we need to ask? You guys all have little ones like this right in front of you. So that's what we're going to do now. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to go in A, B, C order. If your name comes first in alphabetical order, you are going to put your work in the middle. Your partner is going to put their work to the side. So I'll give you 10 seconds to figure out whose name comes first in ABC order and put your work in the middle. 10, 9, 8, 7, you're first? Okay, so work in the middle. Yours is on the side. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did we get that part established? Yes. We know whose paper's in the middle? Yes. Your partner can see it very clearly? Yes? Yes? Because I'm looking and I can't see the work over here. Thank you. All right, and then you're going to point and explain to your coach what you did. Coach, you're going to be ready with one of these questions or statements to make to your partner. Got it? Ready? Go.
This also, so I didn't know where to make it, so I made them right there. Okay? And then it got 74 because I heard it from them. And then plus 1. Plus 26. He goes on. Okay, so
Yeah, let's think about a mathematics.
what did you I like the way you showed it. I said, I got my answer was 100. She was right there. And then so I got 74 plus 36 equals 100. There. Your turn.
All right, whose work are we looking at?
Oh.
I have a very
Did you point this way?
so explain to me why you didn't put anywhere
Gotta come up with something that makes
a letter that represents an unknown number.
Do you think that the work that she's showing there is correct? Okay, so maybe use the statement, I like the way you.
I like the way you solved it. I like the way you added 26 and
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, you guys, on a scale from 1 being the least amount of help, 3 being the most, what would you rate your partner? Did your coach give you information? Or did they do a great job of looking at your work and giving you great information back? What do you think? Nice. Nothing? Nada? Did he do a great job? Or not so great job? Thank you. All right, you guys ready? Let's switch. Now, next partner, you're going to put your work in the middle. Partner 1, put your work to the side. Partner 2, point and explain what you did. Eyes on one paper. Ready? Go.
What I did was the Rochester, I did 26 plus C, 200 and C plus 74. And I did 24 plus
How did you like sort of play how what like what was the first step that you did? Same.
It's basically just matching back to the song.
Alright. I got 10.
I'm so excited. That's what we want to have your partners. Partner give you good feedback? Yeah? So what did she say to you? You said what? How did you figure out that the variable is C? Did you just know it, or did you do the calculations? Yeah, how did you figure out it was 74 though?